Hey everybody, today in this video we're going to be making spicy pepper steak with black bean sauce. Let's begin. We have here 2 green pepper, 1 white onion, carrot, and 1 red pepper. We're using around 1 pound of steak. We're using petite bottom sirloin steaks. You can use any sirloin and it'll work just fine. Okay, we're going to prepare the sauce first. We're going to use beef broth. You can use water if you like, but I prefer beef broth. So we're going to add around a 1/4 cup. Okay, we have a 1/4 cup. I'm going to put it down. Next, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. There you go. 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. 1, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 and 2, ½ teaspoon of ground white pepper, there you go, ½ teaspoon of crushed red pepper, and 1 tablespoon of black bean sauce. There you go. And 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Okay, that's 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Then take everything and mix it all together. Okay, everything is mixed in evenly. We're going to put it on the side and we're going to start cutting up the vegetables. Take out the seeds. There you go. And do the same thing for the red one. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to cut them into strips. There we go. And we're going to put it on a plate. And we're going to cut up the rest as well into strips. Okay, there we go. Should look something like this. We're going to put this on the plate as well. Next, we're going to cut up the white onion. Remove the skin. There we go. We're just going to slice it up. And it should look something like this. Okay, we're going to put this on the plate as well. Now we're going to cut up the carrot. Just got to slice it up. There we go. Something like that. Okay, I'm going to put that on the plate. Okay, so now we're going to cut up the steak. Like I said, this is bottom petite sirloin steak. And we're just going to cut it into strips. There we go. We have it all cut up. It should look something like this. Okay, let's season the steak. We're going to spread it out a little bit. First thing we're going to add is some garlic salt. There you go. Turn it over and do the same thing again. Next, add some white pepper. Just sprinkle it. Turn it over and do the same thing again. Okay, we're set. Okay, we're set, and now we're gonna start cooking the beef. Okay, we're gonna turn the heat on high. Okay, next we're gonna add some olive oil. Spread the oil around. There you go. And now we're gonna add the beef. Spread it out as much as you can. Now we're gonna flip it over. Okay, it's nicely browned up. Now we're gonna set the steak aside. Go. We're just going to add a tiny bit of oil. We're going to add the onions first. Then we're going to add the rest of the vegetables. Okay, we've been cooking it for a couple minutes, and now we're going to add the sauce. Now we're going to add the beef. Stir everything all together. Okay, the next thing we're going to add is some cornstarch. We're going to add around half a tablespoon. You can add more or less, depending on how thick you want the sauce to be. It's a good thickening agent for the sauce. As you can see, it's thickening it up. If you want the sauce to be thicker, you can add a little bit more cornstarch to it. Okay, it's all ready, and then we're gonna put it on a plate. Okay, this is what we have today. Spicy pepper steak with black bean sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.